Hey, so Mother's Day is quickly approaching, and I actually went by the Dollar Tree and I purchased a few miniature vases from the store. And listen, if you can survive a walk down the aisle of the Dollar Tree with all those boxes in the aisle without breaking a hip, you can find some really great deals, okay? Or even go to Walmart or Target, okay? And also, you can go by the Flower Mart or Safeway or whatever store that's near you that have fresh flowers and pick up some fresh roses. Any kind of flowers actually would be great. And here I am displaying the vases that I actually purchased. And I added fresh water. As you can see, there are different size vases. Always at the Dollar Tree, remember, keep everything with clean lines. I prefer to use the very clear glass vases. One of the vases I did actually use one with a little bit of color, but I would normally stick with just the basic clear glasses, okay? And here is a picture of how the small miniature vases with the flower came out. I just added one rose to the fresh water, and also of course a penny to keep the water fresh, okay? And then this is the second bouquet here, and I just added a little bit of greenery and the pink roses, and use any color that you like. If mom or the person that you consider to be mom like yellow, use yellow flowers. Be very creative. And these are so great because you can give these to your neighbor. You can go to even like the convalescent homes or the hospitals, and give a beautiful rose bouquet, something like this. Very simple, that they would, I'm sure, love and enjoy and appreciate. Just even to a stranger, right? Give them a beautiful bouquet like this one, okay? And this one just have roses and hydrangeas and a little bit of greenery and a sort of a fishbowl shaped vase here. And this is actually just an overview of all the vases with the beautiful flowers in the vase that you can see here, okay? So I hope that you have enjoyed this, and this gives you some great ideas to share the love with the ones that you love, okay? God bless you. Do not ever give up before the miracle happens. Bye.